Tired of your visitors struggling to find what they're looking for on your website? A well-placed search bar can improve user navigation and boost engagement. So in this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the process of adding a search bar widget on your WordPress website using responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. So let's get started. So we'll do this in 3 steps. Step 1 is to install and activate responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. And for that, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to plugins. Then click on Add New Plugin. Now here, search for responsive add-ons for Elementor and you find this plugin, click on Install Now. And once the installation is complete, click on Activate. And with that, responsive add-ons for Elementor has been successfully activated. And step 2 is to add the RAE Search Bar Widget. Now, go to the page or post where you want to add the widget and click on Edit with Elementor. Now here, on the left-hand panel, search for RAE Search Bar. And when you find this widget, just drag and drop it where you want to add it. And this is how it will appear by default. And step 3 is customizing and styling the RAE search bar. So now let's start customizing the search bar. So under Content tab, the first setting you'll see is Search Form. And under Search Form, the first option is Skin. So there are 3 custom skins for your search bar. So this is how the classic style appears. It allows you to add an icon or a search text as a button in the search bar. And if you select Minimal, so Minimal will appear like this and it allows you to add a search icon to your search bar. And if you select Full Screen, only a search icon will appear. And when you click on the search icon, the lightbox form opens up where you can type in the search keyword. So the next setting is Placeholder. So from here, you can change the placeholder text of the search bar. And the next setting is Button. So this setting is only applicable if the selected skin is classic. So here you get 2 options, text or icon. So if you go ahead with icon, you can select a search icon or an arrow to show up in the search bar. And if you go ahead with text, so from here you can edit the text of the search bar. And from here you can change the size. So once you're done with this setting, let's go to the next tab, which is Style tab. The first setting is Input. And under Input, you can see the first option as Typography. So from here you can change the placeholder typography. And you can change the text color of the placeholder and you can change the background color of the placeholder from here. You can also change the border color of the placeholder and you can also add a shadow if you want. And you can adjust the text color of the focus mode and you can also adjust the background color of the focus mode. So whenever a visitor enters its query into the search bar, the color of the bar and the text color will change from here. So you can also adjust the border color of the focus mode and you can change the shadow of the focus mode. And from here you can adjust the border size and from here you can adjust the border radius as well. So once you're done with this, let's go to the last setting, which is Button setting. And you can change the text color of the button from here and you can change the background color of the button. And you can adjust the width of the button from here. And under Hover, you can change the text color and background color of the button when you hover over it. So once you're done with all the customization, go ahead and click on Publish. And once it's published, go ahead and click on Preview Changes to see the live changes on your website. And this is how the search bar will appear on the front end of my website. And that's how you can easily add a search bar on your website using responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.